Hey y'all, got a question for you. Are your locks dry, brittle? Do they feel like they're about to snap off every time you pull? You're scared to put your hand in your head? You're afraid that one lock might just fall off to the floor? Okay, if that's you, stay tuned. I got something for you. All right, everybody, welcome back.
Yes, girl. This has been a long time. Long time.
I know that I have said that I refuse to use products.
Yeah. You sure said it. You sure said that.
Especially wet products on my hair. Because they build up and they build up and they build up and they build up. I only use oils and rose water. Because if you want moisture.
Yeah. Yes, I do.
If you want shine for your locks.
Yes. Yes, girl.
I
Yes.
found the product for you.
Me? What about for you? Are you using it? You don't said you weren't gonna use no products no more.
I'm telling y'all. So what had happened was, I was doing my daughter's hair. All my hair products up under my bathroom sink. My hair in the bathroom. I was talking and I reached down to get a product from under my sink to put on her hair. I remember I brought this product about 2 months ago. It was amazing on her hair. It gave it so much shine and it just moisturized her hair real well. I used it on my daughter's hair, but I never realized I have locks. Why not use it? You know, because I was just so adamant about staying away from products. Didn't think to even try it on my locks. I was looking for something. The rose water is awesome. The different oils are awesome for my hair. So when I was doing my daughter's hair, I reached for a product that I used all the time and never thought about using on my hair. Used it on my hair, so oh my goodness. When I put this stuff on my hair, it was awesome. It's really not a wet product that'll clump onto your hair, glue onto your hair and just keep building and building and building. It's not thick, it's not heavy. Put a dab in your hand, rub it on, put it all over your hair.
Might be on to something. I might try that now. I might try that.
So, sit here watching this video and you sit here waiting for me to let y'all know what the secret product is.
You think?
Here it is.
Would you look at that? Gold in a jar.
Like I said, I've had this product for almost 2 months. So the paper on the product has, you know, messed up a little bit. It's Carol's Daughter Hair Mimosa. And it works brilliantly. It works so good. Y'all, you will be amazed. Y'all just tell me what you think. It's a lightweight product, which I've used almost a whole jar now after I found out that it's good for my hair too. And you just, very lightweight. You just dab it right here on your hand. See how it's creating oil? Just a whole bunch of oils melting down. Place it on your hair and just let me know what you think. If you end up trying it, let me know what you think. It's Carol's Daughter Hair Mimosa. And with this video right here, you'll be able to see it at Walmart. Walmart has it for the price on this video. And over here, I also put a video up for Target. I also went to Target just for you guys, just so y'all can see how much it is and where to get it from at Target. And this is only a sample jar. It's hard to find the big jars. I guess you have to catch the jar when Walmart carries it or Target carries the big jar. But I'm gonna tell you like this. This right here, this is the sample jar and it is pretty good. And it's not over $3. It's probably $2.99 or something like that.
Mom, where you going?
Time to go to Walmart.
And as far as I can remember, you'll see it on the video. This little jar lasts a long time because it don't take much. Longer locks, just get a bigger dab. Especially when it being curly on the end, it just sprung up like little springs. You know what I mean. Get right there in my palm. You see how big that is in my palm? Okay. And try it. You might like it. And if you don't, chunk it out. Holla. See y'all next time.